guys, it's Kenzi. So today, as you can see, I'm in my car. It needs to be cleaned. I have the trash bag right here, and I don't have a whole bunch of trash in here, but like I just have like pointless stuff and it doesn't look as neat. You could just use a good tidying up, you know what I mean? I'll just put these bags in here too. This really is the thing that annoyed me the most. I haven't had those fruit snacks in like a week or two. I think it was really hot, so they were melting. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out because they're empty and they've just been useless. I love my little coin thing right there. So when my mom was a principal, you know, all through my elementary years, she always had that little thing in her office. And when I wanted a little soda pop or something after school, she would be like, you know, look at the little change bucket thing. And it was just the cutest thing to me because I like small things. So when she got her new job and she was cleaning out her stuff, of course she didn't want it, but I wanted it, so I have it. So the stuff I'm using is this, yeah, it's what my dad uses. Oh, I forgot it sprays like that. Dang, I didn't think. So this looks good now, other than that little crack right there, but whatever. But this part looks good now. I'm gonna get a little bit of the insides right here, and I'm gonna clean this back wall. All clean out and it looks good. All right, so this part looks all good now. The steering wheel isn't too bad. So all of this looks good now. I mean, it never looked terrible, but it looks better than what it was before. Of course, I had to get the little parts right here. I'm gonna really just let that part dry up though. I don't really ever touch this part. And I rarely touch this part too, which is why I'm confused why it has some dirt in it. But it was probably just like, I don't know what it could have been, but I don't really use this part much. I kind of forget about it. All right, so here's the part that's really dirty. As you can see, it's been getting some work put on it, but I have my little vacuum thing right here, and I'm gonna get out all the dirt before I use the spray to clean the inside. rest of that looks like in about 10 minutes because it's getting awfully hot. It's getting awfully sweaty in here, and I don't like that. So I'm cleaning this part now. That part's looking good so far, except that, but whatever. Like I said, we'll see how things look. The only thing I'm really not liking right now is how, like, I don't know, maybe it looks different and I can't just tell, but I vacuumed, but it doesn't look like I vacuumed. But like, I can't get it any better than what it is now. You feel me? Now we're in the back seat of this side, but of the back seat. First of all, I didn't know how that got so dirty because the only people I have back here are my kids, aka my siblings. But this part, I mean, honestly, how is the back like messy like this? Like, I don't be having folks in the car. Honestly, I'm gonna fold some of this stuff because I have my last week of work this week and I'm still gonna need these two things, so I'm just gonna fold it up nicely. This could get thrown away. Everything else, like, I don't know, I don't think it should be too hard except for the mat. As I was doing that, I was thinking, and I was like, why are my floors this dirty for real, for real? Well, for one, while I was in college, I did not have my car. Well, I didn't have a car at first, but then I got a car. But then when I had to go back to school, I didn't have a car. But then when I went back to school, I didn't have a car, so, you know, my family would drive it. So that's the only reason why it could be like this, because I don't sit back here. And also, it could be, not to sound dirty, but I'm gonna just keep it $150 with you, I've had the outside of my car cleaned, but I have not like really cleaned the insides, like for real. But that's the realization I came to. Like, I just have not cleaned the insides of this car since I've got it. Anyways, the back is looking way better than the front. So now I'm about to clean the mat, but I'm gonna clean it from this angle because I think it's easier to clean outside than inside. I don't know what I was thinking. And I also got a bucket of water because I don't know why I didn't think of that the first time. So I took all the trash out, and now I'll take the mat out and I'm gonna vacuum, and I'm gonna wash it just like I washed the other one. And now for, I guess, the last part, the dirtiest part. My trunk doesn't need cleaning like at all, because really nothing is put back there, and I already checked, and it's literally just chairs that you can put on the bleachers, an umbrella, another umbrella that I just put back there. That's all that's back there. So, but this is the last part before we start actually washing the car.
I begin to
right, so here's the back. I'm done with everything. Okay, the vacuum, I'm be real with y'all, the vacuum don't look the best. It's not gonna look the best either, because it's just not, like, I don't have the type of, like, the good fit to get the little creases, and it kind of bothers me, but whatever. It looks cleaner though. In the front, honestly, I don't know about what to do about this weird, like, brown color, and the front looks better than what it did. So once I close all the doors, I'm gonna start washing my car. Car's all done. It looks good, doesn't it? I know. Well, that's it. So that's how it looks, and that's all the cleaning. That is all. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.